因为薪水对不着通货膨胀，英国有将近5万的初级医生，搁再发动3日的罢工。今年英国的医护罢工已经造成100万人就医受到影响。不过，医生和政府伫咧调整薪水这方面，有关是超白平，所以初级医生团体无排除明年正月搁再发动罢工。
代表差不多5万个初级医生的英国医学会，伫这个月初甲政府谈判加薪的幅度，不过双方一直讲未花。当地初级医生伫20个发起新一轮1连3天的罢工行动。
They're on £15.50 an hour, and that simply wasn't good enough. When we called for strike action, it was the government that walked away.
The reason that we're out on strike is because our pay has been cut by 26% over the last 15 years. And there's huge wage gaps because my colleagues have left to go to Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and actually left for other jobs within the UK where they're getting paid for the expertise that they can provide.
因为加薪的幅度赶未到通膨的速度，英国初级医生向政府要求加薪35%，员工是时薪爱加到71磅，差不多817台票。那政府无答应因的要求，将月初3初级医生会阁连续罢工6天。这是英国国民保健署的员工维持时间上长的罢工行动。
I wish that junior doctors the committee could come back to the table so that we can start those negotiations again and we can ensure that our hospitals continue to work as well as they possibly can over winter.
初级医生讲，因的罢工行动依然得到民众支持，并理解因即卖薪水无符合因的专业知识。不过，除了英格兰、威尔斯的初级医生要伫正月15开始罢工，72点钟，北爱初级医生也要投票是毋是罢工。受即摆罢工影响，真济间综合病院已经宣布关急诊部门。伦敦真济间病院也紧急呼吁民众，只有真正紧急情形之下，才去使用急救服务。英国医护人员今年罢工行动已经让100万的病人的就医权益受损。公司新闻深入批评。